Hey y'all, it is cold out here. One thing about Georgia, you know if you're gonna be cold one day or hot the next one. Okay, amen somebody. But we are getting ready to go pick up some hair sheep and some pigs. They got the trailer hooked up. We about to ride, y'all. Animals, yay, Kiwi's Farms. Hi. So y'all, we here getting the lambs. We getting some sheep. They covered up, y'all. Oh, it's open over there, baby. Hey, sheep. Oh, they so pretty. Hey, babies. Hey, babies. We taking y'all home. Y'all see them? The other one, they mad. Like, what y'all doing?
So baby, she said she just took the babies off the arm.
Oh, man, she mad.
I thought it was 4 of them. You got 5.
She mad.
Where your pigs?
What going on?
Yeah, you got one just got through right there. Big man. All right. Come here, mama. Come here.
That's one.
I got you. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, we know about them worms. She good.
I got you. Yeah, we good.
Oh, mama. We take you to a new home.
And the big girl in there.
Okay.
We believe she's a Dorper cross, but I
You see?
want.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, she is beautiful.
All right, mama. Do me a favor. You got to open the door.
She's younger than the rest of them,
Oh, yeah, little girl.
so
Okay.
she's a little one.
She got wing. Oh yeah, she look good. She got winged.
Yes, they are all weans. They have been grazed. They've actually been free.
They grazing?
Grazing here, and they get pellets at night.
You give them pellets. What kind of pellets? They all
I
soft?
actually do sheep feed right now, or creep feed right now.
Okay.
Hey, pretty
But
girl.
they do eventually get switched.
Hey, pretty girl.
Go on in there.
Are they all sisters?
So they are all. Nope, not related other than the male.
Oh, hold on. You do it. Let me carry her.
You should. I'm gonna go in here.
Hey, baby girls. Hey, baby girls. Y'all going to a new home. Yeah, y'all going to Kiwi's Farm. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Hey. Hey.
I do. So that's generally what we do. The big barrels fill with all stock, and then we supplement it with minerals and vitamins in there.
Hey, y'all. You about to take out yours.
Weaning and everything like that. We only do
There's some horns right there. Amen, somebody.